Hi, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Ethan's mom. Today we're going to be talking to you about the Zuru Fidget Cube
And the Tangle.
also by Zuru. So Ethan is in the Gifted and Talented program at school, but he also has a special education document called an IEP because he has trouble focusing in the classroom. And if you're a special needs mom, you probably already are very familiar with an IEP, but if you're not, it's basically a legal document that puts in writing that, among other things, he is allowed to have accommodations in the classroom to help him focus. And one of the things that we've been using for a while with good success is the Zuru Fidget Cube. And what he can do is, to his little heart's content, press all the buttons, flip the switches, and that gives a outlet for that energy, and it helps him, basically it calms his brain is what it does. And I talked to his teachers and I talked to his caseworker at school, and it's really helped him keep still and pay attention to what he needs to in school. So we will definitely continue using the Zuru Fidget Cube. Is that how you do it in class?
Yes.
Does it help you?
Mm-hmm.
What does it help you with?
Being calmer stuff, or when I'm done.
When you're done with your work early, it gives you something to do? Mm-hmm. That's good.